I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Friday, October 11th. Markets rallied after productive meetings between President Obama and Republican leaders resulted in a proposal which could avoid a U.S. default. The proposal included a 6-week extension on the government's borrowing authority in exchange for President Obama's willingness to negotiate budget items. Libya's prime minister was abducted from his hotel room on Thursday, only to be returned hours later. The incident highlighted the power struggle between the Libyan government and militant groups. As expected, the Bank of England kept its interest rates fixed and maintained its bond buying program. The Bank of England Governor Mark Carney has been very vocal about his pledge to maintain an accommodative stance until unemployment reaches 7%. In order to keep up with the fast-paced financial markets, U.S. federal officials are considering creating a new system to control the release of sensitive economic data. The government is considering several possibilities in order to control data leaks and make sure information reaches everyone at the same time. On Thursday, the European Central Bank and the People's Bank of China announced that the two had agreed on a currency swap deal. The deal underscores the Chinese currency's growing importance in the marketplace. Asian markets ended the week on a high note. The Shanghai Composite was up by 1.70%, and the Shenzhen Composite was up by 1.10%. The Japanese Nikkei was up by 1.48%, and the Hang Seng Index was up by 1.16%. European markets were mostly higher on Friday. The UK's FTSE was up by 0.65%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 was up by 0.37%. The German DAX gained 0.32%, and the Spanish IBEX fell by 0.29%. In commodity markets, energy futures lost out. Brent futures were down by 0.35%, and WTI futures were down by 1.24%. Gold was down by 0.85%, and silver lost 1.81%. In currency markets, the euro was up 0.41% against the dollar, and the pound gained 0.12% against the dollar. The yen lost out to the greenback, down 0.17%. Newmont Mining gained 0.46% in pre-market trade after falling 2.45% over the past 5 days. McDonald's gained 0.21% in pre-market trade after gaining 1.25% on Thursday. Eli Lilly lost 4.37% in pre-market trade after gaining 2.48% on Thursday. Corning fell 2.28% after a week of choppy trading. On Friday's economic calendar, we're expecting to see Canadian unemployment change and the Canadian unemployment rate, US PPI, the French current account, German CPI, and Spanish CPI. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Good luck with your Friday trades and have a great weekend.